There are a number of possible ways to join tubes and accessories in plumbing installations, including threaded joints, soldering, welding, and inseparable joints using press fittings. The Isotubi-USA system consists of a range of accessories and a press fitting tool. This system makes it easy to quickly and safely install in almost any application. And that is what we are going to cover in this video: Isotubi-USA Press Approved Applications. Isotubi-USA Press can be found in a wide range of installations, from civil to industrial to naval systems. With a maximum working pressure of 300 psi, one of the most important elements in the system is the O-ring seal. A number of different O-ring seal versions have been developed which are resistant to aging, so the Isotubi-USA Press system can be used in as wide a range of installations as possible. EPDM, or ethylene propylene diene monomer, is black in color and rated at -20 degrees to 110 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. EPDM's main applications include hot water, heating, fire protection, and oil-free compressed air. FKM, or fluoroelastomer, is green in color and rated between -20 to 200 degrees Celsius, -4 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. FKM's main applications include oils, hydrocarbons, except diesel, solar power installations, and compressed air. Lastly, our HNBR O-ring, hydrogenated nitrile butadiene rubber, is gray with a temperature rating of -20 to 110 degrees Celsius, -4 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. HNBR's main applications include hydraulics, pneumatics, and oleodynamics. Isotubi-USA Press is approved in several types of services: drinking water, solar power facilities, sprinkler systems, and compressed air. Drinking water, or potable water, all design, calculations, installation, and bringing into service of drinking water facilities is subject to the provisions of regulations applicable at the time. Isotubi-USA Press's ASTM AISI 316, 316L stainless steel accessories have no effect on the perfect quality of drinking water. The O-ring seal complies with recommendations for drinking water installations. EPDM O-ring seals are used for sanitation water installations. Stainless steel is not recommended for installations that contain or transport seawater. Solar power facilities. Solar power installations obtain heat energy from the sun. A solar collector captures this energy, and once absorbed, it is conducted by a solar fluid, a mixture of steam and antifreeze, to the heat accumulator. We recommend that FKM O-ring seals are used in such installations, as they can withstand temperatures of up to 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit. The antifreezes used are basically chemical preparations based on glycol, which lower the freezing point. These antifreezes always contain other additives, and it is advisable to consult the manufacturer when such additives are used. The main reasons for using stainless steel in such installations are lower maintenance, better performance, as well as less labor. Sprinkler systems. Sprinkler systems consist of fixed tubing with fittings for connecting hoses and other outlet systems. These tubes can be divided into wet tubes. These are always full of water. Dry tubes. These tubes are filled by firefighters or by automatic devices which are activated in an emergency. These installations are subject to accreditation and approval conditions of insurance companies. Compressed air. Compressed air is used in a wide range of applications. Service pressures in compressed air installations are rated up to a maximum of 145 psi. However, tools frequently only require a maximum connection pressure of 85 psi. The Isotubi-USA Press system can work with pressures up to 300 psi. FKM O-ring seals are used in such installations. These O-ring seals are used because there are often traces of oil in most compressed air installations. The standard O-ring, EPDM, can be used when the volume of residual oil is below 1 milligram per meter cubed. For more information, you can always consult your Isotubi-USA press system installation and technical information manual, or contact us at our website. The link is provided in this video's description. All applications considered, use Isotubi-USA on your next project. Please subscribe to the Isotubi-USA YouTube page, like this video, and feel free to leave a comment or suggestion below.